Are you finding that you need assistance with developing your business plan or another financial issue? We can help. Our professionally trained staff will work with you to develop a plan of action to establish or improve credit reports and scores for both business and personal purposes. We can also assist with the development of your business and marketing ideas and help you to clarify and refine them. We understand the needs of small business owners and know that there are never enough hours in a day. For this reason, we offer a mix of email advice, in-person meetings, after-hours sessions, and consultation phone calls to ensure that our members receive the assistance that they need. Cooperative Federal Credit Union partners with many state and local agencies and programs. This ensures that we can make a referral to an outside agency on those rare occasions when our staff members are unable to meet the needs of our members. If you would like assistance in preparing a business plan, please click the Education tab and contact Cooperative Federal Credit Union.